I was born and brought up in Delhi. यहीं पे मेरा दोस्त थे, यहीं पे मैं खेला कूदा बड़ा हुआ. So this is the place where I've done all my childhood. I did my graduation from IIT Delhi and I passed out in 2016. And I was very much interested into civil services after that. तो जब मैंने civil services की preparation शुरू करी तो I did not qualify prelims for the first time and not for the second time also. तो after that I had to look for a backup because मुझे लगा कि backup ज़रूरी है where this exam is so uncertain. So I gave engineering services examination and I was selected in railways through the engineering services examination. उसके बाद मेरे थर्ड अटैम्प्ट में आई डिड गिव माई प्रीलिम्स अगेन एंड प्रीलिम्स में सिलेक्शन हो गया था बट आई कुड नॉट क्वालिफाई मेंस. अगेन इन द फोर्थ अटैम्प्ट आई गेव माई प्रीलिम्स मेंस एंड आई वाज देयर इन माई इंटरव्यू बट आई कुड नॉट सिक्योर अ फाइनल रैंक.
एक्सपेक्टेशन तो थी मतलब, लेकिन एट द एंड हमें ये था कि चलो दोनों एक, बिकॉज ही वॉज हैविंग द बैकअप ऑल्सो, तो कोई बात नहीं, अगर नहीं भी होगा तो ओके.
But finally in the fifth attempt I went through all the three stages and I have secured rank 422 this year. During my school days I was very confident that I would be taking science after 10th, but I did not have an idea what to do after that. So some of my friends said that maybe IIT could be a good option from where you can do an engineering. So that is where I started preparing for IIT JEE examination in 11th and 12th. उसके बाद मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ IIT दिल्ली में where I was admitted into electrical engineering. और सिविल सर्विसेज में भी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग ही मेरा ऑप्शनल रहा है which is very far away from all the arts optionals. So it was a little difficult to prepare with it, but since I was very comfortable in electrical engineering, so I kept that as my optional. In my third year I went for an internship. There I spent 2 months during the internship and that is where I realized that maybe I am not a corporate person.
ही वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद प्राइवेट जॉब, तो उसे लगा कि मेरे को गवर्नमेंट की तरफ शिफ्ट होना है और गवर्नमेंट में, और इसकी बचपन से ही आदत है कि टॉप में ही जाना है हमेशा. जो भी चॉइस है कि मेरे को टॉप लेवल की चीज़ ही लेनी है, तो गवर्नमेंट में द टॉप मोस्ट जॉब इज़ दिस ओनली.
So I would rather be on the field helping people, and that is the point that motivated me to join civil services where I could maybe serve for the nation.
एक्चुअली इसके फादर तो शुरू से इसको बोल रहे थे कि आईएएस में जाइए आप, और इनफैक्ट जब ये आईआईटी करना चाह रहे थे तो उससे पहले इसके फादर ने बोला था कि आप, और इनके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी यही चाहते थे, तो उन्होंने बोला था कि आप ग्रेजुएशन करिए और साथ साथ इसकी तैयारी करो.
Why I wanted to go for civil services was that in civil services you have a direct connect with the people where you can impact their lives very directly, where you can impact them at the ground level. So that is very much there into the civil services. So that is why I kept going for the civil services examination, and that is what kept me motivated. When engineers go into civil services, we see that civil services is becoming more and more technical. So a technical background will help people to excel more in civil services. So it does not mean that the country will lack an engineer, but a country will have a better civil servant. मेरी family ने मुझे काफ़ी support किया है. My father wanted me to give civil services right from the start, but I was not very motivated towards it. Later on I understood that I would want to do it, and the motivation came from inside. मेरी मम्मी ने, पापा ने, even my grandparents, they have helped me a lot. My sister has supported me. So every member of the family was like, we are with you. You take as many attempts as you want. We are not pressurizing you in any sort. So they helped me quite a lot, and whenever I was demotivated, whenever I was down, they would lift me up and say that we are with you, we are behind you, no matter what the result is, you just keep going.
जब इसने बोला कि मेरा एम वही है, मुझे आईएएस में होना, मतलब मेरे को चाहिए वहाँ पे, तो नेचुरली वी सपोर्टेड, और इतने साल से हम इसको सपोर्ट ही कर रहे हैं कि बिकॉज ये इसका 5th अटैम्प्ट है, 5th अटैम्प्ट में हुआ तो वी वर सपोर्टिंग. थोड़ा था हाँ कि चलो ऑलरेडी योर सेटअप, तो यही रहने दो, लेकिन जब इसने बोला कि नहीं मेरा लास्ट चांस, एक बार और मैं ट्राई करना चाहता, तो ओके वी वर रेडी.
जब सिविल सर्विसेज का रिज़ल्ट आया था इस बार, सो वी वर ऑल विद माई सिस्टर एंड माई सिस्टर वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ बेबी. जब भी रिज़ल्ट आया था विद इन अ फ्यू आवर्स हर डिलीवरी टाइम वॉज ड्यू, तो तभी आवर फैमिली वॉज ब्लेस्ड विद अ बेबी बॉय. तो माई फैमिली वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी बिकॉज दो खुशियाँ आई थी घर में. वन वॉज द रिज़ल्ट एंड द अदर वॉज अ बेबी बॉय. दोनों क्लब करके द होल एंटायर फैमिली, इवन द एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली वॉज जस्ट जंपिंग इनटू जॉय. So it has been a blessing for me. Apart from that, I would say that since I had a backup, so that gave me a lot of confidence. It gave me the motivation that yes, I do have at least something in hand, so I can give the UPSC exam very fearlessly. Preparation में obviously you need to study more and you need to adopt certain changes for prelims, mains and interview. But one of the major changes that I think that came into me was that I was more confident with every other attempt. We see that failures break people, but whenever I failed, I motivated myself more and got up and prepared with double zeal to come up as a more strong candidate the next time. So getting up after falling down was something that I changed every time. So that helped me to keep myself motivated and keep going. मोटिवेशन के लिए आई यूज़ टू डू स्मॉल थिंग्स, जैसे मैं गाने सुन लेता था अपने फ्री टाइम में, आई वुड वॉच अ मूवी. फ्रेंड्स का बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है, मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स, इवन द जॉब वेयर आई यूज़ टू गो. उसके बाद आई यूज़ टू लुक एट अदर पीपल स्ट्रगल, कि बहुत सारे लोग स्ट्रगल करते हैं एंड आई एम मच बेटर देन अदर्स. सो दैट थॉट ऑल्सो यूज़ टू कीप मी मोटिवेटेड.
In this hidden notes segment, we would like to know the hidden side of our officer. So, morning person or night person?
Night person.
Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube.
Facebook or Instagram?
Facebook. I've just made an Instagram account. अभी.
High tech or low tech?
High tech. घर में जिसको भी फ़ोन लेना है, any electronic items, they take guidance from me.
Big party or small gathering?
Small gathering, inner circle के लोगों के साथ.
Okay. Calls or text?
Depends on the person.
Pen, pencil?
Pencil.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Ocean or mountain?
Definitely mountains.
Mountains. Carrom board or PUBG?
Carrom board. I have never played PUBG.
Okay. घर का खाना या घर पे नहीं खाना?
घर का खाना.
Okay, it's lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for connecting India Knowledge Network.
My message to the audience would be that stay happy, stay motivated. एक एग्ज़ाम निकालने से या ना निकालने से बहुत फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. You have the whole life in front of you. That matters more. You staying happy would be more fruitful for you and your family. So stay motivated, stay happy, and all the best from my side.